Devotion 297. Of all the things that we have the capability to waste, perhaps the worst example of waste is wasted potential. Saul had been rejected by God from the kingship. Samuel had delivered the message, but the last verse of the chapter shows the brokenheartedness associated with all that took place. 1 Samuel 15:35. And Samuel came no more to see Saul until the day of his death. Nevertheless Samuel mourned for Saul, and the Lord repented that he had made Saul king over Israel. Samuel was broken-hearted over Saul. The Lord was disgusted with and disappointed by Saul. Saul stood head and shoulders taller than everyone else in Israel. He may have well been the biggest man physically in all of their history. He was a powerful leader. His potential was off the charts. And yet he wasted every bit of that potential with his rebellion and self-will. God builds into every one of us the potential to do great things for Him. Wasting money is a bad idea. Wasting time is a tragedy. But wasting potential is a disaster of epic proportions. Never, ever allow sin and rebellion in your heart to rob you of the potential that you could fulfill for God. Do live right and up to the maximum potential God has built within you. This ends Devotion 2. Thank you for listening and have a blessed day.